file one more time. If it's still hidden, HH. Now, I'm just going to tell you something. Let's, what do you call this one? We can add another bubble to the other side. Now, if you're going to notice, there's only one bubble only for the horizontal, only left. For the vertical one, only up. No? So we can add both actually. Let's select this grid F, for example. Let's select the grid F, and you will find this. No? To add bubble. So you can add bubble. You can add bubble like this. And you can also do the same for this one, no? If it goes like that. Okay. Something like this, no? Okay, let me tell you something also. You already experienced this one, no? When I ask you to drag all the grids, all of them goes together. What if you want only F? How do you move it, or how you drag it individually? Let's select grid F. And you will find this lock symbol. Okay. Unlock it. Unlock. Okay. So here's where we drag it, no? So drag it, try to drag it now. It goes individual. And if you want to put it back or make them all together, just drag it back. Wait for this. Actually, it's small, but wait for this line. Can you see it? Yeah. Can you see that line again? And if you release, all of them will move together again. Okay. So again, grid F is not needed. Just select and delete. Okay, so let's press HR now. Okay. We can HR to reset. HR. Okay. Now let's go to let's add level. So any idea why we cannot place a level on this drawing? Why do you think level is not active? Any idea? Better to go to the plan. I mean elevation. No? So let's go elevation. Let's say, for example, south elevation, double click. There we can add levels. Go to south elevation now. So these are the grids we just placed, no? So these are just the grids that we placed. So how you control them on the plan, same thing. Yeah? Okay. Now, let's select this level 2. Okay. First of all, let's make a name. Now, instead of level 1, double click on this area, double click. Let's make this one as our ground floor. Press enter. Again, double click this one. Let's make this one as our ground floor. Enter. So this question is like, would you like this name to be the same name here? Press yes. Okay. For this level 2, double click. Let's make it our first floor. I like also this level, actually. We can place it to the left, no? So same thing. Select this one and make bubble here and here. And uncheck the other side. Very simple, no? I just replaced coming from right, it goes to the left. Now you can select also here and just like that. Exactly. Okay. So this actually 4,000 or 4 quintam, no? We can double click this one as well, the value. For now, let's make it 3,200. You know, if you want to check, you can make double DI and you okay. Now we can add another level. You know? So let's click level, just like the grid, no? Where if you're going to use this tool called line, place your cursor here. You will see that there is some kind of an indication that they are in line already. No? So click, okay, and then go to the right. Make it straight one. Okay. So just click this level so to make it uniform, no? Okay, and let's make this level 3 roof. And make the level on. Let's see if we have Okay. So let's go back to the ground floor. Ground floor. Okay. So now, can you measure for me the thickness of the wall here? What's the thickness of the wall? Mhm. Yeah. So when you press DI and you measure this wall, it's 240. Yeah. So we're going to assume that there is a 200 block work and 20 plaster, 20 plaster. Okay. So how do we do that? So let's click wall. Okay. So here, there is a drop down. So let's click wall architecture. Okay. If you go into search here, actually, you will not find 240. We're going to use generic, no? Generic 240, but you cannot find any 240 here. Huh? So let's create a new one. So let's click edit type. Okay, let's click edit type. Okay. And you will find this window. Okay, so let's duplicate first. Let's make this one as your, you always do this one, no? Duplicate it first. Duplicate. Okay, let's give a proper name. Okay, so you can click this first. Click here, remove two. Okay, and edit. We don't need 200. We need 240. Let's press OK. Now, is the preview already here? Oh, you can click this preview to just understand what is going on. Okay, so this is the preview of your wall on a plan. So it's still 200 now. So let's edit the structure. Edit the structure. Okay. Now, this is a little bit deep, huh? Only little, no? Let's understand this part, no? Okay, listen, this is the exterior side of your wall. This is the interior side. So we're going to add some layers. So let's click here, click. Okay, let's insert a layer, no? 1, 2. Okay. Now, we're going to sandwich this 200, no? So the position, okay. First, okay, you inserted 2, huh? So for the thickness, add 20, enter, and you can see that it's already added here, no? So that another one, 20 as well. So if you're going to sum these values, how much you will get? You'll get 240. But is the arrangement correct? No. So let's adjust it, no? So let's change first the function. Okay. So for this number 2, okay, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, no? So for the number 1, for the core boundary function, so let's click here and let's make this one as finish. Click here and look for finish 1, 4. Okay. Here, make the same finish 1, 4. Okay. So just simply select the structure, I mean the 200, and make it up. Select the structure and make it up. No? So up. So the arrangement of would be like this. Okay. So can you click? Okay. Is it the arrangement is done? Okay. So let's make the let's add material. What's this? Okay. So for the material, okay, so can you click this one and look for this small button here? Can you see it? Yeah. Yeah. You'll find this. Okay. So let's click this. Okay, so let's start with the structure, no? So from this, click this one. Okay. You see this window? Do we have the same window now? After you click this one, you'll find this window, no? Can you click this first? Show or hide the library. It's not open. Let me just continue this one. Okay, so there's a problem with your material. Okay, so just listen for now, okay? So I think it's opening for you now. Click this one, okay, to show the library, and you will find two sections, no? One is here, one is here. You can click this home, or you can actually search, no, from there. Okay, so type in from the search button masonry. Okay, you find this concrete masonry unit. Okay, press OK. So it will be applied there, no? So for this two, okay, so for this one, okay, let's search for plaster. When you search plaster, you found it here. Here. Select here. Which one? This one? Did you click this one? Okay, plaster. Okay, so when you find the material down, just click this up. Okay, so once it's up, press OK. Okay, so it's there. You can do the same for the other side. No? So press OK. So concrete masonry unit, plaster. By the way, sir, this issue it happens, no? Something like issue with the library. So it's okay, but the only part you miss is the place